you can only really get clams if it's a minus tide or a really low tide. And to me, this is a really low tide. I wanna go crabbing right now, but first let's focus on clamming. Time to get our gear. And this is my shovel, nice little haystack rock there. You can see how much I've used it because the handle is all flat. Gotta go get my license. It's February, it's good for the whole year. Could I grab a shellfish license?
Okay, $10. Anything else for you today?
That's everything. Perfect. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Just got my license. First clam dig of 2022. Let's go. Oh, brakes on. So I almost forgot one of the most important things when clam digging, at least for me. I use a glove. You know, one of these. Razor clams are sharp. I had to go to the ER one time because I went in on a razor clam and it like perfectly matched the curvature of my fingernail and went in there and pretty much dislodged it, and it was extremely painful. You're gonna get cut at some point in your life razor clam digging. I've been cut enough times that the novelty has worn off. So gloving up is essential. Ow. Let's go. Should have been arriving like 30 minutes ago, but that's okay. We're gonna still try to get out there, hopefully get some giant clams for dinner tonight. Hello, morning. Yeah, hello. Like that's what we're looking for, that super, super low bars and stuff. I'm gonna hope to show you guys what I see first person, seeing the clam hole, digging in and grabbing them. Okay, so I'm hitting the sand to hopefully disturb the clams. They get spooked and then they want to dig down, and when they dig down they have to exhale water and sand kind of in this like the sand column, and a little divot forms because they're going down and that area is displaced and it drops. And so you're like, oh, there's a clam right there, and then you grab them. First clam. Oh, and it's a beauty. Yes. Good looking one right there. Oh, smaller one. Gotta keep what you catch though. So this one will be not that much meat, but a lot more tender. Ho ho ho! Oh, that is the monsters we're looking for. Yeah, baby. That's a good one. Woo! Ooh, that's a big one. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Woo! See the size of that hole? I just got hit with a pretty big wave. My screen might be fogged up, but yep, all the way down. And I had him, I thought I had him the whole way, and then I came up and I just had a piece of his neck. Sorry, clam. So you can only catch 15 clams, and I got to 14. It took me forever to get that last big one, and then I got a tiny little baby and I crunched it. It is what it is. I'm not a professional. This is my favorite thing to do out here on the coast. Love clam digging, razor clams specifically. Now that we got our clams, time to boil them, prep them so we can get on with our day. Maybe go crabbing, surfing, canoeing, something like that. Clams in.
I want to go crabbing right now, but first let's focus on clamming.
All right, babe, we're good. You ready? Go get some crab.
Crab gauge, bucket to put all the crab we're gonna catch in, life jackets, shellfish license, camera. One crab pot with all the clam necks that we caught this morning. So we're reusing the byproduct of the clams to hopefully get more food. Let's go get some crab. Forgot water. Probably the most important thing. Got you water, babe. It is so clear. Yes, babe, we're gonna score some crabs. too hopeful, but maybe we'll at least catch one crab while we read and hang out on the beach. Normally we see shells, the remains, dead ones, small ones, females, zero. I have my net, kind of walking along the water here, hoping to get lucky and to just go on a little adventure, which is like my happy place, and especially here in Oregon. I'm trying to make my way over to, this little area. This is where it's really deep, and there's normally some crab in here. I'm not seeing anything. This stump has been floating around this estuary for the last 15 years. I remember canoeing with my dad around this. We saw crab around this all the time. It's moved up and down the river, but it certainly hasn't gone back out towards the ocean, which is over that way through the river here. Oh, put my finger in poop. Let's go wash it off. Good. Okay, I want to go check this crab pot, and I need Megan to come with me. Hey, we got, wow, we got more than I thought we'd get. Holy mackerel, nice. Oh, I see one good male.
Wow.
Nice. Male, too small. Female, you can tell because that big, because that big plate there. Female, can't keep him. Oh, this guy almost got me. Female, can't keep her. So we got 2 crab. Clean them up, eat them. I got away from pinchers, got away from razor clams, and the thing that tears off my fingernail is a stump. Whatever. It was a good day. 2 crab, limited clams. Let's put them on the stove. 7 minutes. Look at this thing, look at it twitching. Look at that. It's all twitching. You can see him in there twitching. Look at that one. Twitching, twitching. He's dead. He's fully dead. It's just the nervous system reacting to like salt and other things. It's done. Whew. Cute. Cute. A bit of meat. Thank you. Fridge. Clams. Crabs. Good day. I just got destroyed.